Welcome everyone! Today we're gonna learn how to create custom components on Monday Hero. We can create components as a system component. Why do we need to create custom components? Custom components are similar to system components. Also, they extend from them. The only difference is they are reusable. For instance, login and sign-up pages generally consist of similar text fields and buttons. Here, buttons and text fields are grouped in 3 different components. So the code for each group of the components can be created once and be used multiple times. Let's create the button in both ways to better understand the difference. Click one of our screens. To remember before, let's create a system component. For example, click the UI label, already have an account, click login. In the previous video, we couldn't click it, so make it clickable. To create a button from this, with the right click, create new instance of system, click the button. Now UI label is a title. You can see it as highlighted. Okay, let's give a variable name. Login label button. Click finish. Now it's a UI button. We can see it in the code. Login label button is a UI button. Now let's create a custom component. Select both of them. With the right click, create a custom, click button. It's a little bit different from creating a system component, but don't worry, it's simple. We need to give a variable name again. Sign up button. We need to give a component name. What is that? As you can see, component name will shown in the components folder primary button.swift. The generic name of the component is primary button. The specific name of the component is sign up button. Let's write a component name. The description is optional, but when there are many custom buttons, we can give this button a description like a button used in forms. And click finish. Primary button is a custom button now, and we can see it in the code in the components folder. The component code is separately created, so it can be reused now. Primary button is a UI button, and it's also called in the page code. Sign up button is a primary button. Okay, it's time for sign up page. Let's go to the login page. Screens, click login page. On the sign up page, we had a similar button and it was called the primary button. This button almost has the same style. The only difference is the title text. One of them was sign up, now this is login. Because they are the same component, we can call this button primary button too. To create it, with the right click, it's not necessary to create a custom component again because we created one. Create new instance of custom, we can see our button. Click the primary button. The next step is the same as we did before to create the system component. Let's give a variable name, login button, click the finish. Now, login button is a primary button. To see them in the Xcode, download the project, unzip the travel app, open Xcode, open a project or file, click downloads, travel app, open it. Trust and open. We can use iPhone 13 as a simulator again. Build it. We can see our custom components in the components folder. Our primary button is here. And sign up page view controller, we can see the sign up button as a primary button and the login label button, it's a UI button. And in the login page view controller, we can see our login button as a primary button. Let's see them in the simulator. It's our sign up page. Sign up button is a clickable button. and already have an account, login, it's a clickable button. But as you can see, we couldn't go the login page. We will see how to do it in the navigation section in the next videos. It is a system component. It is a custom component which extends from the primary button. It's our signup page. How about the login page? To see login page, click navigation, main coordinator. Instead of signup page, view controller. Login page, view controller. Save it and build it again. Replace. Now we can see our login page. And the login button, which extends from the primary button, it's a clickable button. We can reuse the primary button wherever we want again and again. That's all for custom components for now. Don't forget to subscribe to the channel and turn on your notifications to stay up to date. See you in the next video. Good luck as a hero developer.